This video tutorial guides you on how to onboard permanent employees through NETO. To get started, from the NETO worksite, click NETO for Employers. Enter your name, email, and phone number, create a password, agree to the terms, and click Continue to receive an SMS confirmation. Once in the site, select Permanent Onboarding from the left menu. In the Employer Details tab, complete all of your company details. Click Candidate Onboarding. In the Job Details tab, fill in the employee's details, including the employee's role. In the Salary and Conditions tab, enter the salary you want to pay the employee and adjust their social benefits as needed. Click Calculate at the bottom right to see a monthly salary cost breakdown. Note that in the Cost Calculation tab, you can also click Draft Payslip to view a comprehensive payroll simulation. If everything looks okay, the worker will get an email to fill in their details. Once the employee registers with NETO, you can click Final Approval at the bottom right and proceed to signing the necessary agreements and forms. Once you've approved, from the Completion of the Employee Onboarding Process tab at the top, sign the agreement between you and the employee, send the agreement to the employee for signature, and fill in the details at the bottom to ensure the monthly payment. NETO can then approve the agreement, and the employee can begin working. At the end of the month, make sure to report monthly and pay the monthly salary. Each month, you will see that the salary is awaiting approval. Once you approve and NETO receives the money, NETO pays the employee the next day. And that's it. No lawyers, no government offices or bureaucracy, no delays.